evening, you're watching Fiji Today. The Housing Authority of Fiji is facing problems from customers not paying their loans on time. National Housing Authority Chief Executive Alipate Nayorosui says about 50% of its customers have not made payments, which is a risk to the authority.
Home improvement loan is one of the fastest ways to obtain a loan from the Housing Authority without having to go through the hassle of waiting. Chief Executive Housing Authority Alipate Nayorosui says the authority will come down hard on those who do not pay their home loans on time for the need to recover debt.
When customers don't pay on time, and like in other land, I know for housing we borrow money and then we lend. So when customers do not pay us on time, then we are not able to pay back our borrowings to our lenders. And also we are not able to give new loans to our customers. So that's the challenge for us. So we have to do mortgage sales. Now, how often we do it? We do it almost every week.
Nayorosui says customers can seek assistance from immediate relatives to assist in paying their loans. He added parents can bring their children who are employed to join owners in order to salvage in saving homes.
So it's been frequent, a lot of advertisements being done, but it's not the end of the road for many. We care, we do care for our customers, our people. Home ownership is a dream for everyone. We want to own a home. A lot of young people are coming out in the market. They want their own homes. But we do ask that, if you please take a loan, you have to honor the commitments and pay.
Nayorosui says the onus is on customers to seek their assistance rather than delaying and having the authority coming down hard.
A national survey will be carried out by the Reserve Bank of Fiji to assess the financial competencies of low-income households. Data collected from the survey will assist the Reserve Bank of Fiji and stakeholders to better understand how people manage money and use financial services in Fiji.
The survey will be conducted in Viti level and Vanua level and will assist government, banks, schools and civil societies to develop a national financial framework that addresses issues such as the type of financial literacy training that needs to be provided, types of financial services, as well as the policies and action plans needed to strengthen financial literacy in Fiji. Reserve Bank Governor Mr. Barry Whiteside says the outcome of the survey will be beneficial to everyone. Results of the survey is expected to be available early next year.
The first phase development works of the Waila City project outside Nausori is expected to begin at the end of this year following the arrival of heavy machinery from Malaysia. National Housing Authority CEO Alipate Nayorosui says plans are progressing well.
There has been a lot of work carried out to the multi-million-dollar development project that will feature housing for all categories of buyers, including affordable, middle and high-income earners. Housing Authority Chief Executive Alipate Nayorosui says this includes the finalization of the scheme plan and engineering design undertaken and the agreement contract to be finalized. Nayorosui says at the end of this month, the contract will be signed between Top Symphony and Housing Authority before operations begin. He added challenges faced by both organizations are causing the delay to the project.
One is on the approval of the designs. It's not easy, you have to go a lot of channels, but we've got the support of our key stakeholders in getting the approval. Scheme plan has been approved, but at the same time the contractor and us are working closely with the other aspects, particularly the contract which we are now finalizing.
The mixed development site spans over 800 acres. Land infrastructure and housing components will be developed in a phased approach over 10 years. Nayorosui says that the initial stage is the upgrading of a 4-lane highway passing through the development site.
The design is also underway, and that's with PWD, and also with the Water Authority of Fiji. We have commenced discussions. I think the design has been completed, so it's now with them for their comments, so that once the development starts, the infrastructure has to be put in place first, and also at the same time the earthworks will begin for the sites where the houses will be built.
Currently, there are 27 machines on site.
Join us again after the break.